Whoosh, sound effect. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? What's up, my glitter babies and my lovely doves? Hope you're having a sparkly ass day today. So today on Crystal Chronicles, sounds like some Breaking Bad shit, but I swear to you it's not. It's not. Yeah, so today we're gonna be making our very own customized, crystallized vanity mirror. Now, this is my vanity mirror right here, and as you can see, Miss Girl done been through some stuff. Ooh. Yep, several thousand drag misadventures later. Hi, me. Yep, she's all streaky. She's got bits of foundation. She's chipping away in some of the painted areas. But today, we're going to change all of that by showing her the light. The crystal light. So, without further ado, let's hop into today's tutorial, and I'll show you what we're going to be up to. Mwah! So for this twinkling tutorial, you will need some E6000. This stuff is the Staff of Craft Life. It's essentially like liquid nails. It adheres to whatever surface you place it upon or between, and it stays, honey. She stays. She ain't going nowhere. No way. Now you will also be needing some scissors. Ooh, my scissors are janky. That's how you know I've been cutting up. And of course, last but not least, the glistening goddess of them all. Crystals. There she goes again. Cut me an album. Oh, and of course you need the surface or the article of furniture or the item of your choice. As you can see in this case, I chose the vanity. I chose the vanity mirror. Yep, we about to give her whole new life. Yep, so here's our result thus far. Here's what it looks like, dispersed entirely and evenly throughout the top surface of the table of the vanity. I am freaking stoked. I am so happy with how that came out. Like, damn elated. Yep, you see we have a good even distribution of crystals throughout the surface. You could see around the sides. Oop, missed a little corner right there. We'll go ahead and get that. But yep, you could see around the corners, it's all been tacked down in place to adopt the shape of the actual vanity as the base itself. And yeah, I'm so happy. So yeah, let's go ahead, prep our materials for the next phase, and get this bitch done. right, y'all, so here's the progress update thus far. Yep, so here she is in all her crystally, sparkly glory. Ooh. Yeah, I am so happy with how this is coming out, y'all. Yep, so here's the arch. Here's the crystal arch of the mirror. We will be going back in and filling in these little gaps with smaller strips of crystal. But yeah, she's taking on some lovely sparkly shape. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. You guys, I'm beyond excited. I am just giddy with sparkly, glittery, sugary, winter wonderlandy delight. And here's what it looks like from the front. Yep, so we're just gonna slap some legs on it, do the frame, and that's it. She done. Alright, my sparkly hearts, look what we made! We did it! Damn, y'all, look at her! Look at her shining, shimmering wonder! No, I'm so pleased with how this came out, and you guys, this is a real easy craft. Pretty time consuming, but overall very easy to do, and you get such a lovely prop, whether it's for decorations, whether it's for photo shoots, events, what have you. Look at little me guard the castle and do his duty protecting his sparkly kingdom. Hi! Hey, handsomes! Mwah. Yep, so until next time, happy creating and shine on, my glitter babies. Shine on! Mwah.